Good evening, students. My next video is regarding the topic unordered list, that is UL, unordered list with li tag, that is list item. Here we use only one attribute, that is type, and the values are circle and square, and disk is default. Here we use only one attribute. So students, let's open the last page that we have made. This is the page that we have made. We'll remove, start from here. Instead of OL, we'll write UL and close UL. Can you tell me which type of tag UL is? Yes, dear. It's container tag. Yes. File, save. What have changes I have made? Instead of OL, I have write UL and UL, and file, save. Whatever changes you will do, after that you have to save the file and then refresh the page. Look, instead of numbers it appears bullets, and these type of bullets are called disk. This type of bullet are called disk. So this is the default list bullets. Now the attribute that we are going to use is type is equal to, the value is circle. The value is circle. The value is circle. File, save, refresh. Now it says that it's same. No, bache. If we'll see the previous one and this one, that was a solid and it is hollow from inside. It's a circle. So what we have used? We have used a UL tag with type circle. If you don't understand, I'll show you once again. I'll remove this. I'll say file, save, refresh. It's a solid, it's disk, and instead of, now here if I'll give attribute type, look here, I'll save it and refresh it, it gives a hollow one. It's called circle. And again I'm telling you, I have started UL, the type is a attribute, and UL is closed over here, so it is a container tag. The another value of type is SQUARE, square. Oh, SQUARE, square. File, save, refresh. You can see it comes in a square. The bullet shape is in square. So UL is a tag, type is an attribute, and square is a value. Remember, the value of an attribute we always give in a yes, inverted commas. Hope you understand it. For any other query, you can meet me in school. I'm there to help you out. Students, please practice for HTML. Give your best. All the best to all of you. God bless you. Jai Hind.